You how to connect Uniswap to Coinbase Wallet or how to connect other wallets to your Coinbase Wallet. So let's get started. You want to open your Coinbase Wallet. What you need to do is click on the search button here. You can see the search icon. Click on it. Once you click on the search icon, it's going to take you to where you can search. Go to the search here and go and search for Uniswap. You can see. Click on go. And it's going to go there. Once you go there, you're going to see connected. Let's wait for it to load. So you can see, just click on connect wallet. Once you click on connect wallet, it's going to connect, go through the process, and everything is going to connect successfully. So it's very, very simple. And if you want to search any other one, so you can search any other wallet there successfully and you'll be able to connect them. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.